I am so happy right now. I have been on the road for 2.5 weeks, and that entire time I've been in the Midwest. Finally, I am in Colorado, and I am in the West.
Wait, this is it? This is beautiful mountainous Colorado? This sucks. I kept dragging on for a couple more hours, and finally...
I've been driving in eastern Colorado for some time now, and oh my god! I did it! I finally made it to the west! I'm finally getting to the mountains! After so many days of driving through nothing, I'm here! Oh, this is such a good feeling. I am so excited to see what I can see out here.
I did sound a little crazy just then, but I was overjoyed from traversing the Midwest and to see how far I'd come. While hard to catch on camera, the Rocky Mountains were in front of me and they started getting closer. My real adventures were only at the beginning.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful here. It's like Central Park, except it's nice. I'm going right now to attend a meetup group. I'm gonna play some ultimate frisbee with some random strangers. Fun.
But altitude sickness is a real thing. After 2 minutes, I was out on the sidelines, but there were people to hang with. Some of us went out to the bar later. We played cornhole for a bit, I drank with these people, and then they invited me back for some toast. Good times. Early the next morning, I was off to my next set of activities. Hey, it's my cousin Avery and assorted friends. They wanted to hang out at this pumpkin patch, which I was no stranger to, so of course, we had to do the corn maze.
Corn maze number 2. Do you think we can do this?
We got this.
Always nice to catch up with family. With previous corn maze experience, this was a piece of cake. Good God, am I really that tall compared to others? Anyway, later on we went to the Grizzly Rose, a cowboy bar that a lot of famous people have been to. I wasn't much of a dancer, but watching the band was cool. Then, we saw that you could ride a bull for $5. It was way harder than it looked and I fell off very quickly.